In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Coda using the Google Calendar pack. By the end, your Coda doc will be securely linked to the calendar you choose, so you can bring events into your workspace and keep everything in sync without manual copying. Start by opening your browser and going to coda.io/signup. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, follow the prompts to create one. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official site. Once you're signed in, open your Coda doc. Use the doc where you plan to reference or automate calendar information, so everything stays organized in one place. With your doc open, look to the top right corner and click Insert and Explore. This opens the panel where packs live. Packs are Coda's official integrations that connect your doc to external tools like Google Calendar, so data can flow in and stay up to date. In the Explore panel, select Packs to see the available options. Use the search bar to type Google Calendar, then click Install on the Google Calendar pack. Installing a pack adds its building blocks to your doc, letting you pull in events, reference calendars, or set up automations later. You're not changing anything in your calendar yet. This just prepares the connection. Next, click Add Connection. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account that owns or has access to the calendar you want to use and approve the permissions requested. These permissions allow Coda to read your calendar so it can display your events and keep them updated in the doc. If your browser blocks the pop-up, allow it and try again. For workspaces with admin controls, you may need pack permissions enabled by your administrator. Once you've signed in, you'll be prompted to choose the calendar you want to connect. Many people have multiple calendars, personal, work, or shared, so pick the one that matches the events you plan to surface in your doc. You can always manage or change this connection later from the same packs area if your needs shift. That's it. Your Coda doc is now connected to Google Calendar through the pack. From here, you can reference your calendar data inside the doc, confident that it's coming directly from the source. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, refresh your doc and confirm you're signed into the right Google account. You're ready to work with your calendar in Coda without jumping between apps.